so welcome back. So our lesson for today is all about subtracting fractions. So we're going to subtract fractions. So these are our vocabularies. First, we have subtract. Subtract. Second, express. Express. Third, improper fraction. Improper fraction. Fourth, we have simplest. Simplest. Then last, we have answer. Answer. So let's try to look at this example. First, we have 3/4 minus 2/4. Again, 3/4 minus 2/4. Since both have the same denominator, we can just subtract our numerators. So 3 minus 2, that is equivalent to 1. So we put it in our answer, 1. Then we can just carry our denominator, which is 4. So 3/4 minus 2/4, that is equivalent to 1/4. Second, we have 5/6 minus 1/3. You can see that our denominators aren't the same. So what are we going to do? We need to find a number that we can multiply it by 3 to make it 6 also, so that both denominators same value. So what number can we multiply it by 3 to make it 6? So it is 2. So 3 times 2, that is equivalent to 6. Then we multiply it also to our numerator. So 1 times 2, that is equivalent to 2. Now we can subtract our fractions. So 5/6 minus 2/6. So what would be our answer? So it is 3/6. Last, we have 3/4 minus 3/8. Again, 3/4 minus 3/8. Since our denominators aren't the same, so what are we going to do? We need to find a number that we can multiply it by 4 to make it 8. So what number can we multiply it by 4 to make it 8? So it is 2. So 4 times 2, that is equivalent to 8. Then 3 times 2, that is equivalent to 6. Now we can subtract these fractions. So 6/8 minus 3/8, that is equivalent to 3/8. Can we make it as a lower fraction? No, because there is no number that we can divide it to both our numerator and our denominator. So our final answer there would be 3/8. So what if we have mixed fraction? So the first step that we need to do when we have mixed fraction is we need to convert this into improper fractions. So like for example, we have 3 and 5/6 minus 1 and 2/3. So first step, we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fractions. So 3 and 5/6, that is equivalent to 23 all over 6. Why? We need to multiply it first 6 times 3. That is equivalent to 18. Then we add plus 5. So that is equivalent to 23. Then we can just carry our denominator. So minus 1 and 2/3. So what would be the improper fraction of that 1? So we have 3 times 1, that is equivalent to 3, plus 2, that is equivalent to 5. So we have 23 all over 6 minus 5 all over 3. So as you can see, our denominators aren't the same. So second step, we need to find a number that we can multiply it by 3 to make it 6 also. So we have times 2. So 3 times 2, that is equivalent to 6. Then 5 times 2, that is equivalent to 10. Now we can subtract these fractions. So 23 all over 6 minus 10 over 6. So we have 13 all over 6. Second, we have 3 and 1/2 minus 3/4. So we need to convert first our mixed fraction. So 3 and 1/2, that is equivalent to 7 over 2 minus 3/4. Since both our denominators aren't the same, we need to find a number that we can multiply it by 2 to make it 4. So it is 2. So 2 times 2, that is equivalent to 4. Then 7 times 2, that is equivalent to 14. Now we can subtract our numerators. So 14 minus 3, that is equivalent to 11. Then we carry our denominator, which is 4. So our answer would be 11 all over 4. So that is our lesson for today. It's all about subtracting fractions. So see you again in our next video.